Ethan, Tony, nice to meet you. Anything going on?
No.
Good. How do you stay healthy, my friend?
Get adjusted, workout.
Perfect. Workout, do you stretch a lot too? Yeah. Good, good, good. When you talk to patients, do you work on stretching and then strengthening or a combination of both?
Yeah. Start more with stretching and then strengthening once.
Good. Isn't it amazing when you have injuries in your office that you ask your patients what they do and you ask them like, how much do you stretch for strength? I'm like, I ask them, do you ever stretch? And they go, when they pause, what does that usually say?
They don't.
Nothing. When you hear a pause, they go, that means that they don't want to tell you their answer. All right, so how do you like it adjusted? What's your way to get adjusted? What's your thing?
Yeah, wherever the way you're best at.
Boom, done. Anything going on? Injuries, headaches, neck pain?
No.
Good. Stay healthy. What do you do for fun? What's your fun thing?
Golf.
Good. Where do you like to play?
My country club.
Perfect. Where do you go?
Victorville. It's,
Nice.
Fairfield
Nice.
Club.
Hey, we met at the Moet thing, right?
Yeah.
That's right. The one at the golf golf?
Yeah.
That's right. It's all come back. I'm older, man. I can't remember all
I
this stuff.
I do the same thing.
I have a file to upload sometimes in my head.
You make those connections. And you're like, oh, yeah.
And that's one thing when you have connections and everyone wants attorneys, not attorneys, is use those all you want, right? I have another guy. He started his own private practice. I've heard him the Moat law too.
Yeah.
Get him started.
Nice.
You know.
Good.
Oh, well,
Good.
And is it Stein Chiropractic? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. Has it opened up 3 offices now or 2 offices?
We got 5.
Yes, 5. Where do you guys are running that place up there? That's like the mafia of Victorville. Deep breath in. All right. There you go. All the way out. And one more time. Good. Side face. How many doctors you guys have up there?
Across all of them, we got 7.
Wow. Where do you get them from normally? What's that?
Wherever, really.
Perfect. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Other side for me too. Easy stuff. When you guys adjust someone, do you ever, I saw myself, do you ever use a table to help your back? So you have a high-low, right? Perfect.
Hydraulics, yeah.
What I do, I put my knee on the table here, on the side. At that point, I can lean over. There's no back pressure. If I do this, there's more back pressure. So when you get older, again 50, use whatever you can to help your body not feel sore at the end of the day. You're still young. You can handle it. You're still invincible, Ethan. Whatever. I'm not jealous at all. Deep breath in. All the way out. There you go. Sit up for me, too.
Love it.
Got it. And then face this way for me. You ever get your shoulder adjusted? No? Perfect. So bring your right hand to your right ear. I like to adjust shoulders, too, just to kind of feel them out for one, because as you know, next to neck and upper back. This way here, too. Boom. There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
See you next event, bud.
Yes.
Hope you